Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to share how you can search for images on Amazon. It is not just a regular search, but we will get deep into the research to spy on your competitor's product. So why do you want to search for images on Amazon? It would be best if you got inspiration on how your competitors are doing with their images. You are comparing prices and expenses. You have to calculate your cost if you add a new product to your store but unsure how it would sell. If you could find a product that has proved to be successful in the market with the right margin, it is an excellent addition to your store. You are gauging the market saturation. If too many sellers use the same images, it is not a good sign to enter that market. You would have to deal with price wars instead of building your business with healthy profits. Another thing to search for images on Amazon is to look for suppliers. For instance, you want to purchase a product from AliExpress but don't want to wait for an extended shipping time. You can search on Amazon instead and use your Prime membership. So how you do the image search? Suppose you follow a link from a blog or a review site and landed on the Amazon product page. You can see that it has a $6 shipping price, and Amazon doesn't handle the shipping. The total price would be $59 plus $6 equals $65. You can't use your Prime membership for this product. You are also unsure whether this price is a good deal, or is there any better price? To get the image, click on the picture, then right-click on it. Pick Copy Image Location. Then go to Google Images. It's at images.google.com. Click on the camera icon. Then paste the URL and click the Search by Image button. Google will show you many results related to your image. You can also see the keyword used, so you can also copy it and later can research on it. You will notice that there are many websites on the search result, not just Amazon. We only want Amazon. You can do that by adding the keyword site, Amazon.com, to the search result. If you're going to get another Amazon marketplace, change the host to your preferred marketplace. For example, if you are looking for images on Amazon Japan, you would use site, amazon.co.jp. Now we have narrowed down the results. I am going to click on one of the results to see the product price. It seems that it is from Amazon. Although it has free shipping, it is more expensive than the product we have researched earlier. If you haven't noticed, both the products I show you here have the same ASIN code. You can get the ASIN code at the portion of the URL here. We'll get back to this later. Remember the keyword Google generated when we search by image? We can also use that keyword to search on Amazon. However, since it is a broad keyword, we would get many unrelated products, as shown here. To search for the specific products and how many sellers are selling for that product, we can use the ASIN code. Copy the ASIN code and fire up Zonason Hunter. Click on the ASINs button to import the ASIN and hit the Import button. You can then see how many sellers are selling for this product on the Offers column. It has 6 sellers. Click on it, and you will be able to sort the prices from lowest to highest. So that's how you research your competitor by images. You can also use image search to see if a new product you want to sell has already gained traction. If that product has reviews or bestseller rank, you would know that the product has demand. This method would minimize the risk of selling products that nobody would buy. I'm going to AliExpress and find a product with free shipping and high ratings in this example. You can also see the ratings and quantity sold for a particular product. In this case, I'll pick this one. You can see the price and images. Unfortunately, when I right-click the picture, I can't find the copy image URL. Not to worry, you can use Lightshot to do the job. If you have installed Lightshot software, press the print screen on your keyboard, then drag the rectangle marquee until it covers the entire picture. Release the mouse button, then click on the first icon to upload the image to the cloud. Lightshot uploaded the file and automatically copied the URL to the clipboard. Create a new tab on your browser, then paste the URL. You can then copy the image location and use Google Image Search to search the product's sellers. Go to Google Images Search, then click on the camera icon and paste the URL. You will then see the search result with the Japanese keyword on it. Not to worry, add the keyword site Amazon.com to narrow the search. It has a couple of exciting results. We'll look at some of them. The problem with Google Image Search is you can't find the exact product page, so browse the Amazon search result until you find the products. As you can see, there are 3 different products with the same supplier from AliExpress. This one even building a brand around the product. This time, the products have different ASIN codes as Amazon sees them as separate products. Copy each of them in Notepad. We'll use this later. Copy all of the ASIN codes on your clipboard, then off to Zonason Hunter. Import the ASIN codes, then wait. You will see that this product has the potential of the bestseller rank. Even on a product that doesn't have reviews and ratings, it still sold for at least 60 sales per month. So there you go, an easy way to do image research on Amazon. I hope you enjoy this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.